Dear students, in this video I will show you some very simple exercises on number line, and this is all related to this 10th chapter of the NCERT class 6 maths textbook for the 2024-25 curriculum. Okay, and the chapter is the other side of 0. Basically we are discussing integers. So before I proceed, let me first do a recap. Now you see we will be doing addition and subtraction using the number line. Now regarding addition, you have to remember that to add a positive number we have to move to the right of the number line. That is, if this is 0 and you have to add a positive number, then you move like this. Okay, next, to add a negative number you have to move to the left, just like this. The same can be said. Okay, so negative number move to the left and positive number addition move to the right. Regarding subtraction, you have to remember this very important fact that subtraction is the inverse of addition. So what does this mean? This means that to subtract a positive number you have to move to the left. This means that if, see over here, so if I have got yet another number line just like over here, then to subtract a positive number you have to move over here. So this is subtraction of a positive number, and again to subtract a negative number it is to move on the right side. Again, subtraction of a negative number. Okay, you will see more about this in examples. So just remember this thing, that addition positive go to right, addition negative go to left, and subtraction positive go to left, subtraction negative go to right. As simple as that. Okay, so let us start with these 4 questions on addition. See, the first one is minus 3 plus 8. So we start with minus 3. Remember, this is important. In minus 3 plus 8 you have to first start with the minus 3. So this is where we start. See over here, we start with minus 3, right? Next, plus 8. Plus 8, that is, you see, minus 3 plus 8, which is a positive number, right? So this means that we have to move 8 places on the number line. See, how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, 8 places to the right, and so we move to 5th position. Okay, plus 5. So the answer is plus 5, like this. Now on to the next exercise. 4 plus minus 2. Now here, see, you start with 4 just like this, but see, the addition is that of a negative number. So you have to move towards the left by 2 places. See, 1 place and 2nd place. So now we come to the position 2. So you write just this 2. It's just like this. Next question, minus 8 plus 5. So you start with minus 8, and remember this is plus positive quantity. So you have to move right side. Okay, right side, just like this. And you come after 5 places, you come to minus 3. Right? So the answer is minus 3. Next question, minus 1 plus minus 3. So you start with minus 1. Okay. Next, addition of negative number. So you have to move left. How many places? 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. Right? 3 places. So the answer is you are coming to minus 4 position. See, answer is minus 4. Now let us do some subtraction questions. Now we already remember the rules for subtraction, so let's start straight away. Okay, so the first question is 5 minus 7. Remember, we have to start with 5. This is where we start. And what is this? This is 5 minus 7, which is a plus positive quantity. So you have to move to the left, right? How many places? 7 places. See, you start with 5 and move 7 steps or 7 places and you get to -2. So that's the answer. Next, -2, -3. So you again start with -2, see over here, and then again minus plus quantity, 3. So 3 places to the left and you arrive at -5. Okay, it's just like that. Next question is 4 minus -2. Now here you see 4 minus, so you start with 4, but again this is the negative quantity. Remember the rule? So you have to move to the right. Okay, how many places? 2 places. So you 4, 5, 6, 2 places. So you arrive at 6. Next question. -5 minus -3. Okay, again you start with -5. Since this is minus of a negative quantity, you have to move right. Okay, how many places? 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. See, you arrive at -2. That's it. Now this is the second type of question. Actually third type. The first was addition, second was subtraction. This is the third type of question, and here you have to write down 2 possible sums that could be shown by each number line below. So here what we see here is we start with 4, so the answer should be 4. Next we move to the left, right, to the lower side. Left, how many steps? 1, 2, 3. So I can write as, since the movement is left, I can straightforward write like this, 4 minus 3, and the answer is 1. So this is one of the way. Another, I can also write, see, 4 plus -3. Okay. Again, if I add 4 with a negative number, the movement will be towards the left. See, so these are the 2 possible ways. Next, this question. Start with -2. Next, the movement is how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps. So -2 plus 5 is equal to C, 3. So this is one of the possibility. What's the next possibility? Next possibility is -2 minus -5. See, -2, and if I give a negative, subtract a negative quantity, then again I have to move to the right, and so the answer will be again 3. That's the second possibility. Next question over here. See, we start with -7. So I write like this, -7. How many steps I am moving? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps. So I just write -7 plus 5. Okay. So -7 plus 5, and what do we get? We get -2. Right? Another possibility is, again, you start with -7 and how many steps? 5 steps, but this time you subtract what? A negative number. So if you subtract a negative number, this is equivalent to moving to the right. So again you get to -2. See? Next, here you start with 1. So this is 1. And how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay? So 1 plus 5, 6. Pretty straightforward. Another possibility, again, you start with 1 and you subtract a negative number. Again, how many steps? Since 5 steps, so the number is -5. Again you get 6. Okay, students? So we have done 3 types of number line problems on integers here.